Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got another limited edition unboxing for you, and it is from Next, and it's Floral Street. It's all Floral Street products. There's 5 products in here. It has a value of 111, and you can purchase it for £45. It's a really big box. There's loads of new boxes on the Next website. You will find a link to this and a link to the page where you can see all the different beauty boxes down below in my description, as well as all my discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got running down below. So you're welcome to take a look down in the description if you want to. But yeah, I didn't know which box to go for, but there's a reed diffuser in here, and that is what swayed it for me. Look, a little sneak peek for you. We've got a leaflet this time. We don't always get a leaflet, so yeah, I'm able to refer and give you some extra information about the products, but the designs are beautiful, aren't they? Floral Street do really pretty perfumes, which you will see because there's a few in here. Well, it's all perfumes, in all honesty. Okay, so starting off then with the item that swayed me into buying this box. This is Vanilla Bloom Scent Diffuser. So this is full size, and I do really like the smell. Breathe new life into any room with this gorgeous bloom diffuser, scented with golden vanilla, juicy plum and crisp amber, designed to diffuse for up to 4 months. Use all 5 reeds for larger rooms and 2 to 3 for smaller spaces. It's got the reeds, nice big yellow. Just a sniff. Oh, I can't do this. No, I'm not going to be able to open it. I need a knife or something to open that more carefully. I can sort of smell it through it. Yeah, I know I like it anyway because I do like the perfume. So I've got a reed diffuser there. This on its own would make a nice gift for someone, and then you can keep the rest in the box for yourself. Next up, we've got a discovery set. So in here we got 8 perfumes of 1.5 mils each. And we've got Wonderland Peony, we've got Sunflower Pop, Electric Rhubarb, Neon Rose, Arizona Bloom, Wild Vanilla Orchid, Chypre Sublime, I've never heard of that one before, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, and Black Lotus. That's what they look like. Okay, let's have a sniff. I won't go through them all because I'm not that great at describing scents, but I just want to smell a few. I can't remember Electric Rhubarb, whether I've ever had that before. Oh, I love that. Oh, that is really nice. I really like that. Does it? No, it doesn't give me any information about it. It just says it's a bubbly white floral. Doesn't really smell of rhubarb. I'm dyslexic, so sometimes I read things wrong. Yes, definitely electric rhubarb. Okay, the Chypre Sublime, mesmerizing, sultry, majestic, and captivating. And what does it say about it here? A woody Chypre. It's going to mix now with the rhubarb one. Nah, it's not for me. Instantly. Nope. It smells like a very strong perfume, say a posh auntie would wear. See, I'm no good at describing. Definitely not for me. No, definitely not. Which one? What other one? I do want to try and smell another one. Neon Rose. No, I won't do that one just in case. A fresh green floral. Oh, go on then. I hate English rose. But let's see if I like Neon Rose. Okay, the last perfume is really strong, so I don't know if I'll be able to smell this over it. That smells really nice. Fiery, quirky, striking and expressive. A fresh green floral. Yeah, that is quite nice. There. These are little bottles if I haven't already shown you. So it's only 1.5 mils. Really happy with that. Obviously there's going to be some I don't like. So got a little discovery set there. Next on to another perfume which is in the discovery set, and this is Wonderland Peony. It's 10 mils, and you can buy these. I think they're £20 each for the 10 mil versions. But look how beautiful these bottles are. You can see through it. Really pretty. I do like this one as well. Oh my. It smells of mandarins, peaches, that sort of thing. Does it say? Light fruity and floral. Wonderland Peony by Floral Street is packed with armfuls of peonies, pink berries and violets with a shot of cedarwood to bring you a sophisticated scent that's not overpowering, only pretty. Yeah, it is nice. It's a little bit on the too sweet side for me. I do like my fruity florals, but I like the smell of it, but it's a little bit too yeah, it's a little bit too sweet for me. So I think every time I have it, I think, oh, it's really nice. But then I end up giving it to my daughter. So I'll probably do the same. Then we have got a room fragrance. And this is Midnight Tulip, 100 mils. Spritz your room with Midnight Tulip, a darkly brewed-in blend infused with amber, incense, patchouli and elevated with lemon, saffron and damask rose. Okay, is this going to transport me back to my my teenage years when I used to love going into like hippie shops, you know? Oh my gosh, look at my face. Sorry. You can just see a big nose in between. It's a clear bottle. You're not going to see much. Oh, it's leaked a bit. Oh, it's twisting on and off. Has it leaked in there? No, it doesn't look like it has. I'm twisting and twisting, but it's not stopping, you know? Okay, let's see if it actually works. Yeah, it does work. I just got to be careful. Hold on, I can't smell anything. It's not as strong as I thought it would be. It is quite a nice smell. But yeah, it's not strong. It's not my favourite, in all honesty. It would have been nicer to have another one. Another room fragrance. But I got the Reed diffuser, which I really love. But yeah, I think I will pass that one on. It's not horrible, but it's just not really a scent I like. It says, for art-filled homes and lives lived less ordinary, this iconic black tulip forms the centerpiece of the scent. Brewed in blend to while away the night too, amber, incense and patchouli are elevated with lemon, saffron and powdery damask rose, which I've told you about. Fragrance the center of the room with the lights low for dinner adieu. And the very last item in the box is a little sample, and this is Sweet Almond Blossom. This is gorgeous. This is Van Gogh designed, and this is really, really lovely. I've smelt this before, and I think it's in here as well, is it? No, it's not in there. Oh, I do really like it. It's quite fruity. I know it says almond, but what is in it? It's a fruity floral gourmand fragrance that combines notes of pomelo, juicy passion fruit and creamy vanilla to create an enchanting scent. Yeah, it's really, really nice. Oh, that would have been so nice in a room fragrance. But anyway, those are all the products in the Floral Street Next Beauty Edit. So we've got the room diffuser, we've got a discovery set full of little perfumes, we've got the room fragrance spray, we've got a Wonderland peony, a 10ml perfume, and we've got a little sample there as well. So yeah, I think it's nice. You're saving over £60 by purchasing it. Yeah, I think it would make a nice gift as well. If you love Floral Street, then yeah, you might really love this box. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.